Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, March 21st, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart. I'm using the Japanese candlesticks, and what can we say straight on from our chart is that yesterday's very bullish green candle covered 95% of the previous day red candle, which means we have a bullish engulfing pattern on a daily time frame chart with the low located at 56,020 euros. So let me just put this on the chart, both of these lines. The first one, the low here, would be the technical support. All right, and the other one, which is a little bit below this one, is the low from the 5th of the March, 55,095 euro, is again the technical support. So we got the demand zone. Bullish engulfing usually ends up with another movement to the upside. So let me just zoom in a little bit here to see what might be apparently going on. As you can see, we need a breakout. Where? We need a breakout above the level of 63,500, which is the, there you go. This is the technical resistance. If we break above the technical resistance, the road towards the swing high, and the swing high is located at the level of 67,531. So this level, of course, all-time high, must be tested soon, right? So we need a breakout above this level, and then the market is ready for a test of the all-time high. So it all looks very good for the bulls right now. And if we add RSI indicator to our analysis, right, let's just add it and remove the volume. You can see that the RSI dipped towards the level of 46 points and then bounced back up, which is another good indication that the market is ready for another movement to the upside, because we went down on the momentum from the extremely overbought market conditions down towards the level of 46. Then there was a bearish divergence between the price doing swing highs and the momentum not doing swing highs. This bearish divergence has been resolved. We got the correction, and the correction, let me just take a look, the correction was roughly around 17%. Momentum went towards the level of 46 points. Now the market is ready to resume this nice big uptrend. Correction is done, divergence is resolved, market is off the extremely overbought conditions, bullish engulfing pattern ahead of the key short-term technical resistance. Momentum is positive, waiting for the momentum to be even stronger, waiting for the market to resume this uptrend, and then the last swing high, the last swing high on the Bitcoin to the euro, remember 67,531, might be tested or even broken soon. The next target, if we will have another resumption of the uptrend, is located at 70,000 euro. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.